Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face. Now, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the display option. It should be at the top. Tap on it. Now, scroll down, find the option called Screen Timeout right here at the bottom. And once you find it, tap on it. And right here you have the list of durations you can select from. You have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like by tapping on it, tapping on the check mark, and as you can see, it changed to 10 seconds. And now my screen will turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait a couple more seconds, and here we have it. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.